You wake up and check your work chat. You've got 500 new messages staring back at you. You just want a quick summary of what you missed while you were sleeping? As a product manager, you care because overwhelmed users quit. If your app dumps a massive wall of text on them, they'll just close it. And if your AI summary misses a crucial deadline or makes up a fake task, they'll blame your product, not the AI. Let's think about this like a newspaper editor working the night shift. At 4 a.m., a giant pile of raw reports drops on their desk. It's messy, full of typos, and totally out of order. The editor's job isn't to copy the reports. Their job is to read the whole pile and write one punchy front-page headline that takes 10 seconds to read. In AI, we call this abstractive summarization. The model actually understands the text and writes brand new sentences to explain it. This is way better than extractive summarization, which just highlights existing sentences like a lazy student with a yellow marker. Here's how the editor actually does it, step by step. First, they take in the whole pile of raw stories. Next, they spread the papers out on their desk. In AI, this desk is called the context window. It's the maximum amount of text the model can look at all at once. Then, the editor scans the desk and pays extra attention to the big, bold names and dates. The AI does this using an attention mechanism, weighing which words matter most. Finally, they type out the final headline, combining all those key facts into one smooth thought. But here's where the metaphor breaks down. Your AI editor's got a tiny desk, and if the pile's too thick, the stuff in the middle falls on the floor and gets ignored. It's called the lost in the middle problem. The AI remembers the very first messages and the very last ones, but it totally forgets the middle of the chat. Let's look at a real Slack channel with 200 messages about a product launch. A bad summary just says the team talked about the launch and some bugs. A good summary groups the chat into 3 clear buckets: design updates, bug fixes, and launch timing. To get that good result, your system prompt tells the AI to act like a project manager and extract action items. The good one works because it forces the AI to categorize the mess instead of just skimming the top. So what's your move as a PM? First, use chunking. Don't give the editor the whole pile at once. Break the chat into smaller chunks by time or topic, summarize each one, and then summarize the summaries. Second, demand citations. Make the AI link every claim in the summary back to the exact original message, so users can click and verify. Finally, give your users quick ways to dig deeper if the headline isn't enough. Don't just ask the AI to summarize. Design the desk it works on. Next up, we'll tackle how to handle AI features that need to remember things across multiple sessions.